Hello guys, we're here at the cave
right now
inside and we're testing the Soundbar Q990B from Samsung.
Because we are so used to hearing sounds,
So we're using a TCL TV.
we don't notice that it is merely
Samsung says here, you see this is the Soundbar Q990B.
But what if sound could be extraordinary?
The subwoofer is here with us. And the surround speakers are here as well. I'm trying to record some clips. And the other speaker is here. Listen, I have recorded some tracks for you, so you're gonna check it by yourself to see the quality of the soundbar, which is very good for my taste. The subwoofer has enough power to drive the room.
A little after 8 a.m., with the wind picking up, Robbie headed to the top.
Ready, gonna jump in there? Yeah?
Robbie had flown over 375 feet.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene.
Whoa! What is this place? Come on, you guys, let's go!
Or captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury.
Thanks for watching, guys.